Alright guys, today I'm going to talk about the DJI Mini SE. And let's say you got this drone as a gift and for Christmas or for the holidays, and this drone is about $299 brand new on Amazon. And I want to see if you're able to get professional shots or decent shots with this beginner's drone. So what I'm gonna do right now, I have everything on automatic, and I'm gonna go ahead and fly for just a few minutes, bring it back. I'm gonna put on professional mode when it comes to the shooting, and I'm going to put an ND filter. So let's see if it makes a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it down. Once again, it is a gorgeous afternoon at Lake Norman, North Carolina. So it's just gorgeous. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm gonna fly the drone. Let's go ahead and take off. Everything is looking good, and let's go ahead and do this. All right, take off. Once again, everything is on automatic, and let's just fly. I'm gonna fly for just a few minutes because I don't have enough battery. Oh, and by the way, I'm not going to edit the shots at all. I'm just gonna keep it the way they come in. So here's a gorgeous sunset. All right, so it looks very good. All right. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and bring it back so I can take the same shot. Okay, so I brought the drone back, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use one of the ND filters. I think I'm gonna be able to get away with an ND8. Let's go ahead and try it. So the drone is off, and let's go ahead and try this. Make sure when you're switching the ND filters, make sure the drone is off, because you don't want to damage the gimbal. Okay, let me try this. So the ND filter is installed, ND8. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and I'm gonna put the manual mode. And the manual mode that I usually use is 4K, or in this case it's actually 2.7K, 24 frames per second, shutter speed 1/50, and the white balance, I like it at 58. I'm gonna actually put it at 6,000 to make it warmer. Shutter speed is going to be 1/50, and the EB is +1. So you see this right here. Let me try this. I may need the ND16 because it is pretty bright. The EB is like plus. Let's try this. Let's go ahead. It's +7. Let's go ahead and try this.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, and I'm gonna take it about the same distance, which was 550 feet away from me, and the height was exactly 300. So let's see how this looks. Okay, 300. Okay, I'm going to start turning back. I actually think the ND16 is the way to go here. So go ahead and try this. Bring it back here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try ND16. I think ND16 is gonna give me a better shot or a better picture. Let's go ahead and try this. Okay guys, I switched the ND filter to ND16. I'm going to keep everything manual, 2.7K, 24 frames per second, shutter speed 1/50, ISO 100, white balance 6000, and right now my EB is negative 0.7. I only have 60% battery, and let's go ahead and take off. hope you guys found this video helpful, and let's see, I haven't seen the pictures yet, but I hope this $299 drone can give you at least the opportunity to start flying drones and still get great pictures. So let's see if it works. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how the sunset is looking right now, which it looks pretty nice. Let's go ahead and take this off. All right, look at that. No editing, nothing. This is how the sunset is looking. Looks amazing, 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 amazing. So that's where I was flying the drone. And of course, this Osmo Action doesn't have any ND filters, but this is how it's looking. Looks great. Great colors. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go ahead and go inside. It's a little bit cold, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this video. Have a great day. Bye.